Good morning everyone. Welcome to today's mathematics class. Children, in today's class I am going to explain about chapter 6 money. Okay? In textbook page number 106 we have money lesson. Okay Nana? See children, money. What do you give the shopkeeper when you buy something from the shop? Tell me. What do you give the shopkeeper when you buy something from the shop? Children, if you want one chocolate, yes, if you want one chocolate, you went one shop, okay, what you give to the shopkeeper? Tell me, what do you give the shopkeeper? Yes, money. You give money to the shopkeeper. So, next the shopkeeper give chocolates for you. Okay, Nana? What do you give the shopkeeper when you buy something from the shop? Yes, money. Okay, Nana? Money is very important for all human beings. Okay? If you want to buy anything from the shop, you want money. Okay? Chocolate, groceries, biscuits, ice creams. Okay? Whatever it is, if you buy in the shop, you want money. Okay? When father goes to the shop, he carries a wallet with money. Yes, children, did you observe in your house? When father goes to the shop, he carries a wallet with the money. Yes, father carries a wallet. Okay, and the wallet contains money. Children, observe once. Okay, have you seen the coins in his wallet? Have you seen any of these coins? Children, have you seen the coins in his wallet? Your father's wallet? Have you seen these coins? This is This is 50 paisa coin. This is 1 rupee coin. This is 2 rupees coin. This is 5 rupees coin. This is 10 rupees coins. Okay. See children, Indian money is called the rupee. See children, American currency we call dollar, like that. Okay, Indian money is called rupee. Okay, we count the money in rupees. Okay, Nana, we count the money in the rupees. So Indian currency is called rupee. What is our Indian currency? Tell me. Yes, rupee. Okay, Nana. This is 50 paisa, 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 5 rupees and 10 rupees. Now I will show you some coins. See children, this is 50 MP coin, 50 MP. Okay? See, 50 MP. Okay, next. This is 1 rupee coin. This is 1 rupee coin. This is 1 rupee coin. Okay, Nana. See, 1 rupee coin. This is 1 rupee coin. 1 rupee coin. Okay. Okay. Next. What is this? This is yes, 2 rupees coin. See children here. 2 rupees coin. This is the currency symbol. Okay, Nana. Currency symbol and 2 rupees coin. Okay, observe. Okay. Next. This is 5 rupees coin. See children here. Observe. This is the symbol of currency. Indian currency symbol. Okay. Write like this. Okay. 5 rupees coin. Okay, Nana. Next. This is 10 rupees coin. What is this children? 10. 1 0 10. 10 rupees coin. Okay. 50 MP, 1 rupee, 2, 5 and 10 rupees coins. Okay. These are the coins children. Next children, we have some notes also. Yes. See children, currency notes. We use different notes. They are called currency notes. Okay. We use different notes also. 10 rupees note. Observe your father's wallets. Okay, Nana. 10 rupees note, 20 rupees note, 50, 100, 500, 1000. Okay. I will show some notes also, children. This is 10 rupees note. Okay, Nana. This is 10 rupees note. Okay. 10 rupees. See, children, here 10 rupees note. This is the currency symbol. Okay. Children, Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is the father of our nation. Yes? Yes. 10 rupees note. Okay. Next, children. This is 20 rupees note. Yes? 20. See, children, here 20. Okay? 20 rupees note. Okay? This is 20 rupees note. Next, children. 100 rupees note. Okay? Children, we have 50 rupees note also. Okay? This is 100 rupees note. Okay? See, children, 100. Children, when you observe the notes, first you have to check the numbers. Okay? What is the 10, 20, 100, 50. Okay? 100 rupees note this is. Okay, Nana. Next. 200 rupees note. What is this? 200. Yes? Where is 200? Yes. Very good. 200. What is this? This is a 200 rupees note. Okay, Nana. Next. 500 rupees note. What is this, children? 500 rupees note. How much money you have in your wallet, children? I will ask in online session. Okay? Saving money is a good habit, you know. 500 rupees note. Okay, Nana? Next, children, nowadays we have 2000 rupees note also. Okay? 1000 rupees note is not available in these days. Okay, Nana? We have 2000 rupees note. Okay? Okay, children. We use different notes. They are called currency notes. Okay, children. Next, expressing a coin in terms of other coins. The smallest unit is our currency is the paisa. The smallest unit is our currency is the paisa, children. 1 paisa, 2 paisa, 3 paisa, 4 paisa, like that. The smallest unit in our currency is the paisa. Okay, Nana? The plural of paisa is paise. Okay? See, children, the plural of paisa is paise. 100 paise make 1 rupee. See, children, the smallest unit in our currency is the paisa. Yes? 1 paisa, 2 paisa, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100 paisa make up rupee. Okay? 100 paisa make up 1 rupee. Okay, Nana? In 1 rupee, we have how many paise? Yes, 100 paise. Okay, in 1 rupee, we have 100 paise. The 50 paise coin is the smallest unit in the coins. Okay, see, children, this is the 50 paise coin. This is the smallest unit in coins. Okay, in coins, this is the smallest unit, 50 paise coin. Okay. Tell me, children, 1 rupee equal to dash paise, 100 paise. Next, 50 paise equal to, yes, 50 MP coin. Like that. Okay, this is 1 rupee coin. Okay, Nana? The smallest unit in our currency is the paisa. The plural of paisa is paise. Next, 10 paise make up 1 rupee. Okay, Nana? The 50 paise coin is the smallest unit in coins. Okay. This is 50 MP coin. This is the smallest unit, children. Okay. See, children, 50 paise coin plus 50 paise coin equal to 100 paise. Yes. Yes. 50 plus 50 equal to how much? 100. So, 2 50 MP coins equal to 1 rupee coin. Yes. See, children, in 1 rupee coin, we have 50 and 50. So, 2 50 MP coins equal to 1 rupee coin. Okay, Nana? 2 50 paise coins make 1 rupee. Yes. Okay. 2 50 paise coin make 1 rupee. Okay, Nana? Okay, next children, this is the money lesson. Hope you understood. Yes, children, in classwork I will send some practice work. Okay, write in your classwork. Okay, chapter 6 money. Indian money is called the rupee. Yes, we use the symbol, this thing. Okay, rupees. The smallest unit in our currency is the paise. Okay, the plural of paise is paise. Okay, Nana. 100 paise equal to 1 rupee. Okay, coins, children. Okay, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin and 5 rupee coin. Next we have 10 rupee coins also. Okay, this pic I will send in WhatsApp group, children. Write in your book. Okay, bye children.